हाय गाइस, वेलकम टू माय चैनल। ये मेरा पहला व्लॉग है इस चैनल पर, विच इज़ अ ट्रैवल व्लॉग एनीवेज, ट्रैवल व्लॉग। आई हैव रीच्ड दिल्ली, सो आई एम गोइंग फॉर अ ट्रिप टू हिमाचल वाया Rishikesh, Dehradun, and then final destination is Manali. Also, so the flight was in the morning at 6, but due to some issues that happened on the runway today at the Pune airport, the flight got delayed. So they first gave us time, which was 7. Then they gave us 8:30, and then later on they told 10:30. But luckily, everything got sorted out by 9:30, and by 9:30 we were off from the runway. So yeah, it was great, but this was my first delay experience. By the way, I landed in Delhi. I took my bag, as you can see, and I'm at the metro station at the Delhi airport right now. That's it. Heading towards my hotel. जब भी आपको मेट्रो लेनी है टर्मिनल 1 से, just take a left from whichever gate. Find pillar number 9 on terminal 1. There is a lift that goes down to the metro. That's where you can get the metro entrance, and it's very simple after that. I think it's one of the most easiest metro networks, I feel. मेरे को मैप देख के समझ में आया कि मुझे कहाँ जाना है, and they have an app also, so you can also check out on Delhi Metro app. That would be more easier if you find it easy to use the app. This is how the platform looks like, by the way. And I don't know why, but there is not much of a crowd. I don't know, is it because of the weekend, or is it because I am at the airport terminal now, or airport station. But yeah, let's see ahead, because I have to change 2 metros after this to reach my destination. I'll keep you posted. This is how finally Delhi में पहुंच चुके हैं. This was my last stop from the metro. It took roughly around, I think, 45-50 minutes to reach here from the airport. Let's see how Delhi is. Going up on the streets, and it's hot. I can feel it already. Yeah, it is hot, man. It is hot. Oh my god, shit! I can't even see anything in the camera. I don't know what is even recording. This is Delhi for you guys. This is the first view of me in Delhi. 2 minutes चल के from the metro station behind me, you can see I've reached my hotel. It is this. Let's go and check in and rest for some time. I am tired now. Fresh हो लिया, ready हो लिया, आराम कर लिया. Now going back to the metro station to explore Delhi. Finally, after a long wait, we are in Delhi. I am directly heading to Connaught Place because I want to have lunch. It's 4 now. I'm pretty late for that though, but भूख तो बहुत लगी है. So let's just have some lunch. भाई finally CP पहुंच चुके हैं. It's good. I mean, it's green. It's ब्यूटीफुल, बट काफ़ी क्राउड है यार. मेट्रो स्टेशन में नीचे तो मतलब चलने की जगह नहीं थी, इतना क्राउड था. क्रेजी मैन. एंड सैटरडे बाय द वे. प्रॉब्ली सब यंगस्टर्स आते होंगे ऐसे ही चिल करने के लिए इधर. सो मे बी दैट्स व्हाई देयर इज सो मच ऑफ क्राउड ऑन सैटरडेज. एंड ऑल्सो गार्डन वार्डन है यहाँ पर पीछे, सो मेक सेंस. या दैट्स इट. बट I kind of like it, bro. I seriously like it. And day 1 was a success in Delhi. I understood how the metro works here. Went to a very good restaurant in Connaught Place. It's an amazing place, I feel. I enjoyed roaming around over there. Quite good crowd, I must say that. Also went to India Gate, Rashtrapati Bhavan, the Parliament, new building. Everything was just amazing. दूसरा दिन है. I just forgot to show you the property yesterday. So let me just take you around through how it looks like. Also leaving for Rishikesh today. It's gonna be around 4-5 hours of journey. I'm going by bus. So yeah, let's see. This is the staircase. And this is how rooms look like. Over here there is water. And this is like a central area. And then there is their own वर्किंग स्पेस एंड कैफे. आज है दूसरा दिन दिल्ली में. मैंने अपने होटल से चेकआउट कर लिया है और अब मैं ले रहा हूँ, एक तो ऑटो ले लूँगा, नहीं तो रैपिडो कर लूँगा. एंड आई एम हेडिंग टूवर्ड्स कश्मीर गेट. सो इफ़ यू आर एनीवेयर इन दिल्ली एंड यू वांट टू गो टू लेट्स से यूपी, उत्तराखंड, हिमाचल, चंडीगढ़, एनीवेयर, Kashmir Gate is your point. That's where you need to go for all the buses, and basically all the buses leave from there. That's the main spot. This is Red Fort. टर्मिनल. अब देखते हैं कितने बजे निकल रही है बस. एंड वी कैन हेड टुवर्ड्स ऋषिकेश. लेट मी शो यू. दिस इज हाउ इट लुक्स फ्रॉम इनसाइड. ये है अंदर का नज़ारा. जो बस मेरे को लेनी थी वो तो निकल गई है अभी. तो मैं सोच रहा हूँ ऐसी एक जो गवर्नमेंट बसेस जा रही है यहाँ से, दोनों ये गवर्नमेंट है प्राइवेट है, बट स्टिल आई चेक वंस एंड ऑन द अदर साइड. अगर मेरे को मिलती है तो ठीक है. आई वॉज कंसिडरिंग समथिंग लाइक दिस AC वाला, बिकॉज इट्स टू हॉट मैन. एंड या लेट्स सी. नहीं मिलता है तो आई विल टेक दैट बिकॉज आई कांट वेट एनी मोर. वो है 11:20 की, निकल जाएगी. इफ दिस इज लेटर देन दैट देन आई विल टेक दैट ओनली बिकॉज टाइम इज माई एसेट नाउ. दैट्स इट. आई हैव टू सेव इट. सो मैंने ले ली थी गवर्नमेंट बस ही, क्योंकि आई गॉट द AC बस, द प्राइवेट वन, बट दैट वाज लाइक 1 hour later than the time, so I was like let's save 1 hour and just go by this one. And once the bus started इतनी गर्मी तो लग नहीं रही थी, तो I was like ठीक है चलो यही ले. And we stopped here for lunch. This is how the place looks like for lunch. It's okay, not that good, but काम चला हुआ है, ठीक है, चलता है. बजट ट्रैवल पे तो कुछ भी चलेगा, राइट. फाइनली रीच्ड ऋषिकेश. होटल में चेक इन कर लिया है. It took almost 4 hours from Delhi till here, and then half an hour to the hotel. It's good. This is like hotels everywhere, nothing much to show. So I'm heading to get a bike. I'll rent it out and then we'll explore Rishikesh. Finally. I'll keep you posted. गाड़ी रेंट कर ली थी मैंने. ये मिली है मुझे अराउंड 600 में. इट्स वर्थ इट. अभी आज वीकेंड है तो 100-200 रुपये ज़्यादा ही है. वीकडेज पे आओगे तो सस्ता मिलेगा, बट ठीक है. बाय द वे, आई केम टू दिस व्यू पॉइंट अप हियर इन द माउंटेन्स लुकिंग ओवर द होल town of Rishikesh, and it's just breathtaking. I'll just show you guys how it looks like. Just look at it, man. And you can also hear the sound of the river even high up till here. It's amazing. Everything was amazing, but भाई the journey hotel से लेके यहाँ तक crazy man. The views are insane of the mountains, of the river. The water is so very like turquoisey blue. It is just amazing, and this view it's just worth it. I still have to go up, but I was here for sunset, but since it's cloudy, I don't think so I can spot the sun. So I just stopped in between. I still have like some time for the sunset, but I don't think so it would be visible. Kabhi bhi, I'm literally saying kabhi bhi kahin par bhi, especially in mountains, अगर तुम सनसेट देखने जा रहे हो तो पूरा सनसेट होने तक रुको. I'll just show you how it looks like right now. Just look at it. The camera might not be doing justice, but in real, it is crazy. वापस अभी नीचे आ गया हूँ and I came to this restaurant. अभी I just love the vibe of this restaurant by the way. थोड़ा सा अंदर है तपोवन में. If you can, you know, if you have time, you can just visit this. मतलब अंदर होने की वजह से it's like not that crowded, but it's a complete vegetarian one, of course. I'll just show you. This is the name of the restaurant, and look at the vibe. अभी फ़िलहाल कोई है नहीं क्योंकि डिनर का टाइम हुआ नहीं है. There you go. This is the outdoor area, which is also amazing. They have a little like shop of clothes. You can buy something from here. They also have a pool and a garden. And this is the rooms that they have. My food is here. Let's taste it and see how it is. So good morning. This is next day. Day 2 है आज ऋषिकेश में. So आज का प्लान ऐसा है कि मैं तो सुबह उठ गया था जल्दी, तो थोड़ा मैं घूमने निकल गया, थोड़ा स्ट्रोल अराउंड किया टाउन में. उसके बाद ये एक मस्त सा घाट सेक्शन मिला जहाँ पर रुका हूँ अभी. आगे का प्लान ऐसा है कि वी आर गोइंग फॉर रिवर राफ्टिंग अराउंड 12, which is going to be a 16 kilometer rafting. I hope that is the best part, I think, about the trip as of now. This is your river Ganga, and that's the other Chula. Hi to my vlog.
Hi.
This is my first vlog, guys.
Please make it.
Please say like,
tag
share,
me.
subscribe.
Like, subscribe, and comment also.
Okay, boss. Thank you. The start point of the rafting. This is how it is.
सुनना ध्यान से. डाल दे भैया इसमें सब.
I'll end this vlog over here. It's already gotten very long. You guys enjoyed it, and I hope you guys come back and watch me again. Until then, bye bye, take care. And if you liked watching, if you loved watching, then do like, share and subscribe to my channel. It will motivate me to put up like more vlogs on this. I might not be great, of course, because I have just started, but I will definitely get better also in editing the vlog, shooting the vlog, showing the right things, and yeah, I'll get better with time. So just give me some time. Until then, bye bye, take care.